Approach grafting, seedling and seedling. In performing this grafting technique, you will need to prepare the following: a grafting knife, a grafting tape or any available plastic tie, and two rootstock or two grown seedlings. Identify the active growth part of the rootstocks. The color is usually a clash of brown and green and mostly located in the middle part of the whole stem. Use this part for the union. Cut the side of the active growth part deep enough to reach the pith and then remove the cut part. Do this also to the other seedling. Bend the cut parts of the seedling towards each other to see if the size of the cuts are the same. Make adjustments if necessary. Bend the stems again towards each other until the cut parts are attached. Do this carefully to avoid damaging any part of the plants. Bind the stems together using a tie or tape. Wrap the bound stems completely. Make sure to cover the peeled parts. Also, bind together the lower part of the seedlings to make sure it will not get separated easily. Cut the upper stem of the two rootstocks so that it will not absorb too much nutrients when growing. In several days or weeks, the two seedlings will grow